viewers. I'm Ravi Shankar Rash, continuing with the series titled Friday Poems, which we have been uploading for the last 5 weeks. For 5 weeks, my poems were uploaded. Now it is the turn of others, and we are introducing new poets from today, the sixth day of the series. And the poet that we are introducing now is Nabinadas. Nabinadas resides in Hyderabad. She is a Bengali and she writes Indian English poems. She has three collections to her credit. Uh, First one was published in UK, The Blue Vessel, and the second one, The Migrant City, and the third one by Red River, Samskar Nama. She has also edited many anthologies of poems in India. Uh, she is a very well-known poet, and she does teaching as a profession of creative writing in English. So this week we are coming with a new poem by Nabinadas, which is titled Erasure. Eresure. So poem Eresure by Nabinadas.
This poem is titled Erasure. And I'm reading this because in these times, while we are fighting a microorganism, it seems that erasure still is the norm for setting a certain political agenda. And so I think it's very important for me to read it out. Take an eraser, see the damage in the name of corrections, a swipe to unthinkingness. Take a white page, slowly blow out the black letters. Some anyway hang by their cursive tendrils from the whiteness. A little green, a little torn. I'm talking of books and histories, our heads full of winter's tales. I'm talking of children's faces that have forgotten our justice songs. Take the darkest ink and blot the days. Take a pinch of our existence and see how erasure becomes a norm.